Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to talk about GPT-5, OpenAI's latest and most advanced AI model, and the best part is, you can use it for free. This upgrade isn't just performance, it's a smarter, more user-friendly experience. GPT-5 understands writing, coding, health questions, and more with sharper accuracy and fewer errors. It's also multimodal, handling text, images, voice, and even seamless tool usage. First up, GPT-5 can hold natural, flowing conversations and remember context from earlier prompts. I asked it to write a haiku about the ocean, read the generated haiku about the ocean, then told it to make it about the desert, without repeating anything. It instantly adapted, proving it remembers what you've said and builds on it seamlessly. Next, we tested GPT-5's transparent reasoning skills, a huge leap forward in trust and explainability. I gave it a classic math puzzle about a bat and a ball costing $1.10. Right away, you can see it says, thinking longer for a better answer. This is GPT-5 taking its time to reason thoroughly instead of rushing to a quick guess. GPT-5 broke down the math digit by digit, explained each step, and showed every assumption clearly. Then, instead of just giving the number, GPT-5 clearly lists its assumptions. Prices in US dollars, what the $1 difference means, and that no taxes or fees are included. It's a transparent, methodical way to think, giving you full clarity before the final answer. And here's the result we got. The ball costs 5 cents and the bat costs $1.05, perfectly matching the detailed reasoning. It clearly explains every assumption and calculation before revealing the answer, making its thinking process fully transparent. Now let's test its creative side. I prompt GPT-5 to write a short fantasy story about a robot chef who discovers an ancient recipe. It delivered a vivid, multi-layered narrative with rich descriptions and dialogue. It's not just smart, it's a true storyteller. GPT-5 also transforms text effortlessly. I pasted a dense paragraph about rainforests and asked it to rewrite it for a 10-year-old. In seconds, it reshapes complex information into clear, friendly language without losing the meaning. Add more details to the current context. Attempt the task again for better results. Instantly, it simplified the language while keeping all the key facts, making it perfect for educators or content creators. Need coding help? GPT-5 has you covered. I ask it to write a Python script that filters even numbers from a list, and then explain the code line by line. This makes it perfect for both beginners learning to code and pros who want quick solutions. Need quick summaries? Using that same rainforest paragraph, GPT-5 condenses the information into just 5 bullet points. It extracted the main facts. Having the original and the summary side by side really showed its ability to distill complex content into something clear and quick to read. I also tested creativity on demand. I asked GPT-5 for 10 unique YouTube video ideas about eco-friendly living. It delivered a diverse mix, from zero-waste cooking challenges to before and after home eco-makeovers to interviews with climate innovators. Not only were the ideas varied, they were also practical and ready to film. GPT-5 isn't just creative, it thinks in formats that work for real-world projects. Finally, I wanted to see if GPT-5 could explain the same concept in completely different styles. I said explain black holes as a poem, a tweet, and a short news headline. It nailed all three: a mysterious, cosmic poem, a snappy 280-character tweet, and a punchy headline you could see on the front page of a science magazine. This flexibility means GPT-5 can adapt to whatever tone, format, or audience you need. Next, let's bring our image into the editor. Click on the plus icon at the bottom, then choose Add Photos and Files. This will open a window where you can browse and select the selfie you want to transform. Once you've chosen your image, it'll upload directly into the workspace, ready for editing. Once your selfie is uploaded, it's time to tell the AI exactly what you want. This description gives the AI clear instructions, covering the background, lighting style, your face, and your outfit, so you get the exact cinematic look you're aiming for. Now just sit back and wait until it is processed. Once your photo has been transformed, you'll see your brand new cinematic look on the screen, complete with the plain background, glowing disco lights, and your stylish fancy t-shirt. You can easily save it to your device. Just click the download icon below the image, and your stylish new look will be stored locally. If you need AI assistance with a document, such as a medical report, you can upload it directly into the chat. Simply click on the Add Photos and Files button, select your report from your device. Once your file is uploaded, it's time to tell the AI exactly what you want. Wait for it to appear in the chat window. In seconds, it reshapes complex information into clear, plain language without losing the meaning. You can review the purpose and risk factor in simple, easy-to-understand language. You can ask the AI to summarize, explain terms, or even translate the content, making complex information much easier to understand. From remembering conversations naturally to transparent reasoning to vivid storytelling to rapid-fire creativity, GPT-5 doesn't just give answers, it thinks, adapts, and communicates in ways that feel intelligent, useful, and human. If you enjoyed this demo and want to see more AI experiments like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one.